If I'm accused of being a hypocrite, fine, but we are also trying to tidy up our own house with this initiative, because it's a very wasteful industry, not as wasteful as fashion, but fashion's also tied into it, not as wasteful as travel, but travel's also tied into it. These are all systems that all of us are part of, and can't all be called hypocrites if we stand up and go, can we try and make it better? Can we try to have a systemic change? Can we try to have a mindset where we can look at the positive? And it's much better that 95 or 99% of imperfect people do good than one saint. They don't exist. We're on this and in this all together.
Northern Venezuela has been hit by 2 massive earthquakes. This is because it lies close to the boundary of 2 tectonic plates. The upper section of the earth is split into different sections. These are the plates. In this part of the world, we have the Caribbean plate and the South American plate trying to slide past each other. Sometimes parts of the plate get stuck and energy builds up. When they eventually start moving again, huge amounts of energy get released. This makes Venezuela prone to earthquakes. In this case, we had 2 events of similar size less than a minute apart. This is called a doublet sequence. Scientists have said they were 7.2 and 7.5 in magnitude. The scale is logarithmic, which means each number is 10 times bigger than the last. The earthquake in March in Myanmar last year was a 7.7. This led to the deaths of up to 5,300 people. But these events in Venezuela were also very shallow, less than 13 miles below the surface. The closer to the ground the earthquake is, the more shaking we get and potential damage.
People say, that it is too hot, but you just got to get on with it. The thing is, it's too hot, because it's all health and safety. We've got to wear trousers and things like that, health and safety and all that and different things. But we're lucky really because the council, they provide hats, and sun cream as well. They really do look after us, so.
But you're traipsing the streets, even tomorrow, even Thursday?
Yeah, very rare we get nice weather in especially in the northwest, It's usually down south where they get it, but I'm not complaining, I'm just getting on with it.
This story in the Telegraph about your accent. Do you want to? So they say you flipped your accent from English to Scottish.
Yeah.
So that I can serve the people of Arbroath and Broughty Ferry. My first allegiance is, and always will be, the sovereign people of Scotland.
What's going on here?
Honestly, I'm flattered at how interested people seem to be about this. My mum's English, my dad's Scottish. I grew up in Angus, outside of Kirriemuir. But I lived in London for a few years and picked up a bit of an accent, and that comes out a wee bit stronger when I'm in England, and the Scottish accent comes up a wee bit stronger when I'm back home. But it's honestly quite funny how strongly people are feeling about this.
I don't think it's Watergate, put it that way.
I don't think so. I don't think this is the most dramatic thing that's going on in Westminster this week, put it that way.